full of liquor, then we die. In it, pull him to the side, let me slide. In it.
What's up, you guys? Let me fix it. There we go. Let me fix it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, right now I'm just dropping off my load and where we at? We in Patterson, New Jersey right now. We in Patterson. Oh, dang, they done quick, boy. They had 221 windows. Like, look at all this. This is crazy. Yo, Papo, you got the cash? You got the loot? Mucha morning. Yeah. Waiting for the paperwork to get signed. My man signed the paperwork. What's up? This my man's right here, man. Anytime y'all come to Starlit Windows, come see my man right here, man. I don't think it's break time. I don't even know why they want to break. It's break time? It's break time?
Yes. Lunch.
Lunch? He said it's lunchtime. These people, they be mad cool though. I'm not gonna lie. What's up, my guy? Hey, we done. I only had 2 stops today. And the reason I got stops because I'm an over-the-road driver, right? I come home on the weekend. Sometimes I stay out 2 weeks, you understand? But one of the local drivers called out. So like I said, with my job, we got 3 different positions. You can either come home every day, come home on the weekends, or come home every 2 weeks. So you know your boy decide every weekend. But when one of the local drivers come out, they either make us do it, the over-the-road people. So you know how that go. My choice, I don't like it. You get what I'm saying? But the good thing is I get $35 a stop, plus mileage and all types of stuff. Cause you think I'm gonna load all these windows right here? You think I did this? You think I did this for $35 a stop? No way, Jose. All right, so they just got done unloading the joint. I can't jump down like I used to, man. My knees, you know? Can't jump down like I used to. I bet you she gonna be right by the door. Oh, that's crazy. She coming though, watch this. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we done with that. She always in the way. So I got 16 stops, so this like a 2-day trip for real. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. I think I'm in Hartford, Connecticut. What's up, my guy? Oh, he new?
No, he's not new.
Oh, you not new?
Not to pay me for being on that. I'm gonna send you a bill.
Yeah, send it. Send it, man. You got 3,000 windows. Yeah, that's only, yeah, we only got this many. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. I think that's 12.
You might have 3 someplace else. Huh? You might have 3 someplace else.
You said I might have to take somewhere else?
No, they might have something hiding something. So the email says 15.
What's this? Let me see what's this right here. Let's see what's this. What's this address? Nah. This Glass Operating LLC. No, this not it.
No, we're not LLC. We need anything that says Express Factory Outlet. Factory Outlet.
Yeah, factory outlet.
I can see all of this is mine. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, all this is yours right here. This say factory outlet. Factory outlet.
Maybe something is back ordered. So.
Probably so. I'm just checking though. You know you gotta double check, man.
Yeah.
You definitely gotta double check. Cause last time it was something big like this.
Yeah, the bay window that we almost forgot in there.
I don't even know what's this though.
It doesn't have an address on it?
Nah, it don't got no label, nothing. I don't even know what's this.
Yeah, there's a little orange sticker on the side there. Look at that one. Should we...
Cut that shit up. Yeah, man, the YouTube thing is good business, man.
You get paid?
Not yet. I'm just now getting starting to get big, so not yet.
Oh, okay. What's your YouTube?
I just seen Crystal Windows. Oh, but you don't work for Crystal Windows, right? They say this place, you label worker, right? Yeah. My boy just applied here. They say they paying $1,300, man, a week.
Which boy? For Crystal?
No, this one.
For this company?
Yeah.
Doing what?
13, whatever y'all do, 1,300. They say Trump just passed a new law. All label workers got to get 1,300. But you ain't vote for him, right? You said you ain't like him.
I don't like him. I never liked him before. Not just because he's running for president. Since when he had that show
Yeah.
thing.
He had a show?
Yeah.
Wow. I ain't know he had a show though, man. Hey, where your other guy at? Oh, he knew?
No.
I ain't never see him.
No, he's been here for years.
He must be the boss. He ain't working.
He's been here for...
He must be the boss. He ain't working. Let me open this up. Nah, it's only a few of these. Oh, so who been here the longest, you or him? Me. Who got more seniority? Me. Okay. I hope I'm not coming down with a cold, man. Hope I ain't coming down with a cold, man.
Yeah, a lot of people live here.
Yo, you ain't got no extra razor? You don't have extra razor?
I used to keep a bunch back here.
What happened?
People take it and don't give it The boss is not gonna let me take any.
Yeah, because he got to keep buying it, right? All that money he got, man. What they do? Eat them up. Yum, yum. Eat them up. Yum, yum. Eat them up. Another day, another dollar, man. Make the girls want to holler. Because if you ain't got that paper, don't no woman want to deal with you now.
I know you better get out of my face! Out of my face! Out of my face!
Yeah.
She got another thing coming.
This location is our VIP or whatever.
Yeah, we got more windows coming than anybody.
How long you been here?
Long enough.
Over 3 years, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Become CEO one day?
Hopefully, right? Yeah, I would like to take this business
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I only got 10 though. I must can't count. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
1, 2. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just set up the one.
They got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 right here.
11, not 12.
Yeah.
Yep.
3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 smackarooty.
Yeah, you know how we do. Just sign 2 of them, sign a date, and then the rest, you know, I fold them up, baby. That's how we do it. They be wanting y'all to sign like every single one and date it. It's like, come on, man.
They're ridiculous on that.
Nah, they do be tripping though. I ain't gonna hold you.
What's your name?
BOODA. DA.
Should have come up right now.
Nah, DA again. JACK. No. J.
One word?
Yep, JACK together. There you go. Right there at the top. Right there.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Fully loaded.
All right, man. You good to go?
Respect, man. Respect.
All right, thanks.
Merry Christmas. So you do that thing? You do that thing?
What?
Puff, puff.
No.
So, who is this? Puff it.
Oh, that's Black and Mild. Black and Mild. No marijuana, man. No, Black and Mild. All right, G. You literally need 2 hands closing this thing. All right, we good to go, baby. Hop in the truck, on to the next stop. What's up, y'all? So right now I'm finna go get some gas, cause I gotta get some gas and I'm low on def. Like, I'm really low on def. Like, let me show you. Do you see it? See it? I'm low on def. So if I don't get no gas within the next 40 minutes, this thing gonna shut down. Even though I got gas, def is really for like when you idling and you know when you sleeping, you taking your 10-hour break and you idling. But it also will mess up the truck if you got no def. Like, say you got a full tank of gas like I do, and you about to run out of def. Once that def go out, this truck, imagine your engine just stopped like working. Like, it's gonna be like struggling for power. Like, that's like you waking up in the morning just jumping up and going to work. No, you need your coffee, you need your bagel, egg, and cheese, or whatever you want to get from the poppy store. You feel me? Every morning for me, lemon and water and some cinnamon oatmeal. You know how I do. What do you say? 100 man, hit this nigga 100 man. Party is so faster than Sunday, man. True religion, Boodaman. My money that struggle through the place forward, I swear I'm gonna shoot with that. I ain't gonna do with that. Pull up on the curb, how about it be do with that? I'm so back at the church and I get off my shit, so do with that. She made that big room, now we'll be like a town. Honey man, hold on, hit this nigga 100 man.
What am I do? Young Thug, brother.
That's how Young Thug used to rap though.
Thug, brother. That's my brother.
What was that mixtape? Rich Gang. Now that was the one. They should have came out with a Rich Gang too. Now that had the summer on lock. That had the whole summer on lock. Like, if you wasn't outside when that came out, I feel bad for you, baby boy. Listen to this one. no.
Damn, so you ain't gonna put. Oh, you gonna make me big?
But my uncle always used to play this joint.
Yeah. Let's go. Hell time.
And I'm thinking about the burger at the halftime. At the paper at the halftime.
Trying to roll that stick, turn it by
At the halftime.
yeah.
Billy beat, no real seat. Got the chain on my neck, it's a T. No middle seat.
Bitch, I own the rock
Like Jay-Z. They dig. Alright. I'ma pull up on the site. I'ma let this day.
You can motherfuck
Other than you slap like my motherfucking idol.
I might eat it for $10,000,
big.
Why can never love a fucker ass? Suck my dick like Bieber, no but head. Cocaine white like Justin Bieber, bitch. I might show the rats and tease the bitch. I might want it, but I don't need the bitch. I been flooded out by Jesus, bitch. I want your piece of Little Caesar, bitch. Knife board, I buy my diesel, bitch. I don't wanna talk a sense, nigga. No teacher, we joking shit. These niggas gon' bite on my swag as a virus. I done swinging, I pull up on bitches dressing all white like my savage.
Yeah.
Knowing I gay, I fuck bitches on bitches. I whip out, she suck on my private.
Oh, this that work right here. I ain't hear this in a minute. What he say? Kitty. I know she ready for a kitty. She tell me she ain't gonna let me miss him. She let me hit her on the ceiling. And my dick like crack, so yeah, I'm dealing. She got it all on Peter Griffin. Not on her front of her head like Eddie Griffin. Now that I'm the stars, you make a wish. Now that I'm telling you the star, tell me attention. What they say? Hold on. Lovely girl, I miss you. I wanna bang you like a pistol. I wanna bang you like a crip dude. I'm in the head like some woo-oo. And the rodeo next to Spody. Cause you ain't going like a trophy. She started off, caught a lotus. Hey, now see me up back like Folgers. I'm up. I might hit them with them bucks. Just some niggas I look. It's a crime, my lifestyle, nigga. No, if you buck.
Just cause I'm in
New York with a buck. Don't mean you won't get stuck. I might just tell this on my secret. Fly like a red, like a demon.
Look at that. So you know I gotta get some def. I went to the first truck stop. They ain't had def at the pump. Like, this is crazy. They ain't have def at all. Like, to be honest, they ain't had def at all. But come on, y'all, let's go. I got everything. Okay. Yep, I got everything. Ah, man, I'm tired. Oh my God, I'm tired, bro. Yeah, I am beat. Tired as hell, man. No. Every time I'm vlogging though, man, people just be watching. Like, I don't be getting it. Why they be watching me? Like, nigga, you see what you like? Fuck, nigga. Oh no, you go. You good. That black truck right there, that 2167 Ford. Okay, not one. Not. It just pulled. You see that white truck that pulled up next to the black truck? Yeah. The black truck that's parked. I don't even know which one that is. Yeah, I gotta punch in the car manually though.
Just that?
Yeah, pretty much. I don't think I need nothing else. Nah, I ain't got one. I gotta punch it because the swipe don't work, so I have to punch it in manually.
You want a truck number on your receipt? What's the driver ID?
Driver ID? 3428.
Mileage?
You could put probably 120, 100.
120, 100?
Yeah.
Truck?
2167.4.
And trip?
Trip one. I always put one, and I'll come back in for the other receipt.
All set.
I'm good to go. Thank you. Good to go, baby. Good to go. About to get some death and be out, man. I got 16 stops. Only 5 got done today because, hold on. Only 5 got done today because I had to pick up the load. And the load was like 4 hours away from the yard. So pretty much, you know, we only get 11 hours to drive. But baby, if I ain't had that cut, I'll be running all night. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for this one. La 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 la. Damn. Fuck. Okay, there we go. Man, they tangle up the cord like crazy. He said it's the Cohort truck. Let me check it out. Oh yeah, check out the. Do you see that? This is legit. I ain't never seen nobody with this. And he got the fridge.
And a microwave air fryer.
And he got the air fryer. You see what I mean? He getting that money by any means. He ain't got excuses like the new drivers. He ain't got excuses, you know? And this his own business. This is what I'm talking about. This is his own business. We need more people like this. It's his own business, man. You see, he out here grinding. But now I'm starting to YouTube. I just started 2 weeks ago. I had 0 subscribers.
So I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Now I'm at and I'll tag too, like get your Instagram. And
I don't have Instagram, I got Facebook.
Okay. And now I got like 10 subscribers. Just from 2 weeks ago, it keep going up. So, you know, that's all what it's about, really, man. Getting that money. You know, soon I'm gonna have my own company, you know? A lot of people out here don't want to grind.
Yeah.
Nobody want to grind anymore. Everybody complaining about this. Long as that money coming, I'm coming.
You good, bro.
Yeah, so I found another way to make extra money like doing this. So after you get like a certain amount of views, they'll pay you. So, yo, just do it one day, man. Just like keep posting, like do little short reels.
It's just the fucking brokers at the end of the day, dude. They don't want to pay shit.
Yeah, hey yo, right now, I don't know if it's me, but I think it's a downtime. Nobody want to pay anything no more.
It's been like that for a while, dude.
That shit crazy. And you're not only hearing it from me, you're hearing it from him too. Like, nobody want to pay now, man. It's crazy. Nobody want to pay, but hey, peak season to come around real soon, you know. But yo, this truck right here is crazy. This truck really crazy right here. Like, this truck is really crazy.
What's your Facebook, man?
BOO.
I mean, what's your YouTube?
BOO.
BOO.
DA.
DA.
Let me do a lamp check. Do a lamp check. Oh, I can't even do it. I got on a hazard trying to do a lamp check.
If I need some rest, I'ma flip me some packs. I talk like I want it, she don't say them back. If cop pull up, I put that crack in my crack. Or I put that crack in my crack. Call a shorty, made her fuck on my brody. If you don't owe me, bitch, still act like you know me. I promise I won't ever quit, bitch, I'm cold.
And we about to do a lamp check. Make sure everything good. This is how I check my stuff. Okay, that's working properly. Okay, that's working. Okay. Okay. Both signals work, left and right. Okay. Headlights work. We good, baby. We in there. We in there like right on rise. Got me a check, I got a check.